Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out of your sequence. Okay, let's get to it. To zoom out of your sequence, simply press the minus key multiple times. To zoom into your sequence, simply press the plus key multiple times. Next thing is for me to hold down the shift key and then I press plus. Doing so will increase the visible area of all layers, or press shift and then you press the minus button. It will reduce visible layers of all available layers present. Now if you want to do it for just the video layers, what you do is you hold Ctrl key and then you press plus. Ctrl and plus will increase the visible areas for all the video layers, like so. But if you want to increase the visible area for the audio layers, you hold the Alt key and you press the plus sign, like so. Doing so will increase the visible areas for the audio, and if you want to reduce it, similar to how you do for the video, you press the Alt key and you press the minus key. So this is how I usually zoom in and out of my sequence on Premiere Pro. If you like this tip, like and share, and please follow me for more tips like this. Thank you.